Adding a product in OpenCart is a simple process that allows you to showcase items in your online store. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into the admin panel. Access your OpenCart admin dashboard by navigating to yourdomain.com/admin and entering your credentials. Navigate to Products. In the admin dashboard, go to Catalog and click on Products. This will display a list of existing products. Add a new product. Click the Add New button in the top right corner of the product list page. This will open a new product form. Enter product details. Fill in the required fields including product name, description, meta tag title, price, quantity. Upload images. In the Image tab, click on the Upload button to add product images. High-quality images are essential for attracting customers. Assign categories. In the Links tab, select relevant categories for your product. Save the product. Once all information is entered, click the Save button in the upper right corner.